Welcome. This is a beginner's restorative yoga class for upper body flexibility and tension relief. For this class, you may want to grab 3 or more pillows and 2 blocks. Now, if you don't have those on hand, be sure to look in the description below to find out what kind of alternatives you can use. Let's begin in child's pose, walking the hands forward, forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Now, this pose won't be accessible for everybody. I know it's a pretty intense pose within the hips and the shoulders, the upper back. So go ahead and place as many pillows as you need underneath the torso. So you're just resting the torso over the pillow. And if the hips are feeling a bit intense or sitting high here, you can also place a pillow or 2, as many as you need, underneath the hips, between the hips and the feet. Or as I'm demonstrating here, I had some blocks on hand, so I'm just placing blocks right underneath my seat between my feet. So we're just looking for a little height, a little support while still feeling that stretch without feeling excruciating pain or just too much intensity. Wherever you are, drawing the breath into the chest, nice big inhale. As you exhale, sighing out all tension within the shoulders and the upper back, allowing the arms to be heavy, hands to be heavy. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back as you inhale. Exhale, softening the hips. If you're feeling tension within the upper body, draw the breath into the chest. Slow inhales, slow exhales. And if you're feeling tension within the lower back or the hips, draw the breath into the belly. So wherever you're feeling that tension, really creating that space with your inhales and using your exhales to just let go here. Gently release. The hips will stay exactly where they are as you walk the hands towards your left. Now, if you're using pillows, go ahead and adjust it so you are able to come into a side stretch with your arms reaching towards the left side of the mat. So what I'm doing here is just angling the pillow. Hips stay exactly where they are. We'll begin to draw the breath into the right side body, expanding the right rib cage. Exhale, softening the shoulders. Inhale to release. Go ahead and switch sides. Side stretch to your right. This time drawing the breath into the left side body, expanding the left rib cage. Exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back. Inhale, gently release. Place the pillow to your side. Option to sit on a block here or a pillow, or just come to a comfortable seat that feels best for you. Giving yourself a big hug here, crossing the right arm over the left. Full inhale, drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down, elbows towards the belly. Inhale, come all the way back up, taking your gaze up, gentle back bend here. And we'll exhale, release. Opposite arms cross, so left arm crosses over the right. Full inhale. Exhale, drawing the elbows towards your belly, gaze down, rounding through the spine. Inhale, gently come back up. Gentle back bend here. Exhale, release. You'll have a few options for the next pose. So you can try using a pillow underneath the back and just having your head resting over the edge of the pillow. So maybe you want to elevate yourself a little higher, maybe using two pillows, or if you have a really firm pillow, you can fold it. And this will be the less intense version. And of course, if it feels extra tense with the pillow too high, you can always lower it. So stay where you need. And for a little more intense version, you can go ahead and place your block on the mat so that it's resting along the spine, on the second highest setting. I come to my forearms and I just use my hands to kind of adjust the block so that I can melt over the block, and the crown of my head is resting on the mat. If the stretch is too intense here, go ahead and elevate the head with another block or pillow. Now this will feel intense if you are using the blocks and holding a lot of tension and stress within the upper body. If you are feeling excruciating pain or just unable to breathe, is always a sure sign that it's a bit too intense. Just go ahead and start with a small pillow or just use the pillows. So just gently elevating yourself. So the block is a bit more intense, so you'll want to take an option, a modification that feels best for you. Wherever you are, begin to draw the breath into the chest, maybe feeling yourself lift as you inhale. Nice big breath, expanding the ribs, expanding the lungs. As you exhale, completely surrendering here for that one moment, sighing out all tension within the shoulders and the upper back, allowing the arms to be heavy, hands to be heavy, softening the ribcage, using your inhales to create that space and using your exhales to completely surrender, letting go of all tension within the upper body. Use this time to find patience. Use this time to really meet your breath, to connect with the body. Instead of just doing, be here now, observing, rather than reacting. So just be. Know that this is a journey and enjoy every step. Over time, you're going to notice the body beginning to open. You might even notice emotions starting to surface. Whatever it is, just flow. Acknowledge and observe. Gently release, peeling yourself off the block. Take your time. And we'll go ahead and hug the knees towards the chest. Option to rock side to side. Take a moment here observing the breath. Notice if it's a little more fluid. Maybe it is, maybe it's not. You might even feel a little less tension within the upper body. You might even feel heaviness. Whatever it is, no worries, just observe. And when you're ready, we'll take the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up and open. Taking a moment in Shavasana to just be and to soak in all the work we just did. Observing the body, observing the breath, observing the changes that may have happened. Be present here with the body in its fully relaxed state. We'll gently begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes, rocking the head side to side. We'll roll over to our right. Inhale. Full exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.